Voge has begun a staggered distribution of its first-ever four-cylinder sport bike model, the RR660S, in China, ahead of the model's expected global debut. The bike was first unveiled as the RR660S concept way back in 2023. The Voge, high-end brand of the giant Chinese motorbike and scooter firm Lanson, whose credits include a 19-year partnership with BMW which started way back in 2005, hasn't yet entered the US market. But after having manufactured the BMW F650 engine, Lanson had now assembled on behalf of the Bavarian company the C400 scooter and is even manufacturing, for its brand, the Voge DS900X, an adventure bike fitted with a F900 GS engine. As a matter of fact, according to a leaked presentation from the company early this year, more BMW-derived bikes are in the pipeline, including a 1000cc superbike based on the S1000RR and variants based on the K1600 six-cylinder engines. Much like its Chinese rivals CF Moto and QJ Motor, Voge now has dealerships all over Europe, Asia, South America, and Africa. Not to mention its model lineup is now starting to look sleeker and more premium than ever. The image of all-out sport riding doesn't get much more solid than with the new RR660S and its futuristic but conventional sport bike design and specs that should put it as a formidable rival to midweight motorcycles such as the Honda CBR650R. Both the CBR650R and this vehicle will have the same wheelbase at 57 inches and the same 67mm bore for the four-cylinder engine. With a 47mm stroke length on the Voge and 46mm on the Honda CBR650R, the Voge's engine displaces a smidge more 663cc to the CBR650R's 649cc. Of course, it's also too early to determine whether these similarities add up to a straight knockoff of the Honda design, but it's not out of the question based on how many Chinese companies are cranking out their own CBR650R lookalikes. The curb weight for the Chinese bike is 474 pounds, 8 pounds more than the Honda CBR650R with a full gas tank. The Voge mill makes 99 horsepower, some 5 more than the 94 claimed by Honda for the CBR650R. More often than not, such a Chinese bike promises more equipment than the Japanese counterpart. Standard features include a color TFT dash with several display modes, 2 riding modes, normal and sport, and most excitingly if somewhat bewilderingly, based on reports from a short-track rider-operated exhaust valve that varies the noise level. The bike takes its styling cue from the RR660S concept, but doesn't get the show bike's single-sided swing arm and instead runs a conventional 2-side arrangement. Other than the more subdued paint job, the bodywork is identical. Voge so far has displayed red, black and white versions with English-language graphics, all of which could hint at possible overseas sales. But really, are stickers on the little wings that say what goes where really necessary? We probably won't get any real scoop on Voge's overseas plans for its 2025 models until this November and December, when Europe's EICMA and Intermit exhibitions get underway. For now, though, the RR660S seems the most likely candidate for a new Chinese four-cylinder sport bike destined for export markets.